wants to do it for themselves. What are you gonna say?
Don't do it. Just kidding.
No, if you want to do it yourself, I'm a firm believer. If I go into your home, and you've seen me do this all the time, I teach homeowners how to use tools. I teach homeowners how to use tools. I teach them how to take a leap and give something a try. Now, I'm not saying you should just go out there and rip into your bathroom and then just put it together with, duct tape and putty, because there are things that you need to do to make sure that A is to code and B is going to last and not give you other damage, water damage, things like that. There's tons of videos on YouTube. There's tons of places you can see how to install a lot of things to get that guidance. There's tech support numbers for the different companies that you'd be working with, whether it's from toilets to the GoBoard floor system. Whether it's from toilets to the shower system or even faucets. Don't be afraid to do it, but do it in a controlled environment where you're taking the time, you're doing the research, but it's a fun project, and there's some self-gratification of doing it. You didn't know how to use half the tools before. You could probably do this bathroom mostly by yourself, minus maybe the plumbing and the electrical.
Yeah, I was just gonna say. I think there's a lot of people that can do tile. I mean, you can, make over a bathroom by just changing your wall colors and adding some tile and some cool things. But when it comes down to it, I think the hardest part is your plumbing and your lighting, electricity, those extra things like our heated floors that we did. Just making sure we weren't gonna nick something in the floor while we were putting our tile in. You can have a good time doing it, or it could be a real big pain in the butt.
But being sure if you are getting into the electrical and the plumbing, making sure you're having that done correctly.
You have the right person.
And if you're not the right person, getting the right person in to do it safely.
Yeah.
And this one's a metal. Really, I don't want to cut those corners. I want to fix any of the problems that are there at the time, not just cover them up. So, what we notice on the bottom, when they put the tile down in their backer board, they didn't attach the backer board to the subfloor with other than a couple of roofing nails. So you'll see, and I'm sure you see in the demo video, I'm pulling up full sheets of tile and backer board together because nothing was connected. This was not a bathroom once upon a time, so the flippers added this bathroom.
I guess just not a lot of time was taken when they first did it, so we encountered those problems later on. So
certainly were no square walls. Shower wasn't square, so squaring that out, because we were going to go with it an exact 40.5 by 40.5 inch shower, that I had to get those inside walls squared out as well, and then move all the plumbing. It was It was fine. It looked good on paper. When you walk in, everything else, you quickly discover that some things, there's a lot of corners being cut. And I'm a firm believer of when I'm doing any work for myself or doing work for somebody else, I don't want to cut those corners. I want to fix any of the problems that are there at the time, not just cover them up. And someday down the road, if we sell the house, give somebody else a better product.
Colorado kind of thing, or do you want like that? Or
we're just having a conversation.
Okay. Well, yeah, but he said I need a longer, and then you're like, I'm Matt.
And then you'll say Katie, and then we'll talk.
Okay, cool.